Hi my friends, today I want to show you how to make the money flower. Let's go! We need $8 bills. Fold the left edge to the bottom one. Fold this part along the edge. Unfold and fold it again. Fold the right edge along this one. Unfold and fold it inside. Turn over and fold the right corner to the left one. Unfold. Fold the right upper edge to the central line. Unfold and fold the corner inside. The module is completed. Fold all the modules this way. Connect them together. Insert the right edge of the first module into the pocket of the second one. Open the second module and fold the bottom edge to the crease. Fold the upper edge to the crease. The flower is completed. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!